Hi, my name is Nicolette Santos. I'm an AHD 5002, spring 2019. A little bit about me is that I'm a junior at Fresno State right now, and I am in liberal studies, and I have a focus in social processes and institutions. During this course, I was really taken back because I didn't really come in expecting all of this information to be thrown at me. I also really like to do the in-class of the 45 hours on hands learning experience. During the beginning of the semester, we took a multiple intelligence personality quiz, and I was mostly interpersonal. I agree with that because I do like talking, I'm outgoing, and I do like working in groups rather than alone. Another thing is that I learned a lot from this class, but I really am thankful for all of the materials provided by Patrick DeWalt so that we can take them into the future, into my future classroom.